I am logging in as a Bharatanatyam guru, which is Polali Asha, into my CIFR's mobile app. So as you can see, Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society is the name that is displayed on the top, and clicking on the batches, I can see what are my currently batches. I have a Tuesday 5 to 6 p.m. batch, and which has 4 students, and I also have a Sunday 11 to 12 batch in the afternoon, which again has another 4 students. So when I do regular assessments, so those are all under assessments. So currently we are running an year 1 quarter 1 assessment, and I am the evaluator. So the status is not started, as you see here at the bottom right. So selecting that, I have my students who are to be assessed in this batch, or I can go to the topics to see what are the topics that I would be assessing these students on. So I can choose a topic saying that, okay, what is a body balance? Body should be balanced at all times in all postures, and do an assessment. Let's say if I do an assessment for Hasita, saying that, okay, she got score of 4, and I can give some message saying that, the coach remarks as practice standing on one leg. Okay. And similarly, I can also do thing for Karthik, and then for other students as well. Give them the rating and also give a summary and submit. And similarly, this is for the body balance, and I can go back. So similarly, I can also go to students and then do a rating assessment based on the student. So when I go in the student view, I get all the assessment topics for that student straight away. Okay, dancing in 3 speeds, getting 3 stars, and then showing the mudras. Okay, he's doing well, again 4 stars. And let me give a total assessment summary is that good progress, continue, hard work, submit. Okay, so now when the coach submits, so you can see that the Karthik summary is already, the assessment is already complete. So now if I assess from the login, as an final thing, let me show, like if I go in as an administrator. So if the administrator is using this app, then administrator can have full complete view of this particular organization, which is CIFAS. So if administrator go into the batches, as you can see on the top, they can see all the batches, Bharatanatyam, visual arts, and if there are more faculties like flute, tabla, all the batches will be, all the categories will be visible on the top, and they can switch between each one of those. Similarly, assessments for everything. Currently there is a Bharatanatyam assessment going on, and also visual arts assessment going on, currently done by Raghuveeran Guruji. So as a admin, I can check what's the progress, and if not happening, then also follow up